And today, a judge denying Laura Rideout's appeal for a new trial. Rideout and her son, Colin, were convicted in the 2016 murder of her estranged husband, Craig Rideout. Today, Rideout's lawyer pushing for a new trial, referencing a ruling from the U.S. Supreme Court last year. Allie Peters joins us now in studio to break it all down for us. Allie.
Adam, Laura Rideout's attorney David Abatoy Jr. saying in court today that the jury was not unanimous on their decision on who exactly killed Craig Rideout. He said if someone is going to go away for life in prison, he wants a jury to be certain who committed what. In 2017, Laura Rideout was found guilty of killing her estranged husband, Craig Rideout, again from Penfield. Craig had been found dead in July of 2016 after Yates County investigators found the 50-year-old's body in a wooded area in Penn Yan, wrapped in a tarp with bungee cords and his face disfigured from acid. A medical examiner found the cause of his death was strangulation and blunt force trauma. Laura was charged with second-degree murder, tampering with evidence, and burglary. Today, her lawyer said in this case, the jurors didn't have to be unanimous in deciding whether Laura actually committed the murder or whether she was an accomplice. He said the judge permitted a non-unanimous jury in this case, something a 2020 Supreme Court ruling outlawed in state criminal trials.
Before somebody is required to spend the rest of their life in jail, the jurors should all should agree on what happened, what the person did wrong, who did what, and if there wasn't anything that person did wrong, they should be provided with the opportunity to quit that person.
Prosecutors are held to a very high burden, and we take that burden very seriously. And here we proved that she acted in concert with her co-defendants with the intent to kill her estranged husband. And a jury of 12 people who were instructed as to each and every element of murder determined that she was guilty of murder in the second degree.
Now, the judge again denied the motion for a new trial today, saying this should have been brought up earlier, meaning Laura will remain in prison. She is serving 25 years to life and 15 years for the burglary conviction. Live in studio, Allie Peters, News 8.
Thanks, Allie. Laura's sons, Alex and Colin Rideout, were convicted of tampering with evidence. Colin was charged with second-degree murder as well and is serving 25 years to life in prison. Alex, however, was released from prison in March after he was granted parole.